So, I'm just recording a short one today on my phone because, well, I recently saw something and I was really excited about it and I wanted to share it with you. Kaggle is launching a machine learning course. It's called 30 Days of ML. It starts on the 2nd of August, but you can sign up now. Let me show you. So if I just push the screen around here and put it on wide, has that worked? No, it hasn't. Press the wide button. There we are. Okay, so there it is. 30 Days of ML, machine learning beginner to Kaggle competitor in 30 days. I'm not going to read all of this out for you. You can go and check it out yourself. The link is in the description. But you sign up and in the first weeks you'll receive hands-on assignments delivered to your inbox. You know, I think this could be a great introduction to machine learning, especially if it's something that you've been meaning to get round to starting to learn and you just haven't done it yet for whatever reason. You haven't had the time or you haven't had the right materials to learn from. This would be a really good way of, each day developing that habit of learning a little bit more about ML. So I would really urge you to sign up. I've signed up. I want to see what it's like. I can't wait to start. And it would be great, I think, if you possibly could, if you have the time and you're interested in ML and machine learning, then sign up and kickstart that machine learning process. And who knows where it could take you. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you about that. The link is in the description. Sign up now. There's no reason not to, and see how you get on.